All right, we're going to show you how to use the HOTT 1999 CD player. Okay, so there's a number of ports on the side. This is your earbud port. This is your door that you open it. I just go like that and it pops open. When you put the CD in, you want the label facing up. And you kind of got to pop it down like this. All right, then you shut it. And then as you go around, you're going to find this is your volume up and down. So if you go this way, if you go to the left, it's volume down. You go to the right, it's volume up. It does have a reset button somewhere. This is your charging port. Oh, there's a reset button. You have to get a little like paper clip or something to stick in there. On the back of it, it has a lock. So if you pull this to this side, it locks everything and people can't get in. If you push it to hold, it holds the position where it's at. If you push it all the way over, it's off. So locked, unlocked. I think that's all it is. Locked, unlocked, I believe. Okay. Anyway, it gives you a little information there. All right, now to get this thing turned on, what you've got to do is come just above the HOTT. You'll see there's a little universal on button. You got to press and hold. Bam, it goes on. And that's your display. And if you notice, it's already got a charge on it, so I didn't have to charge it. And to play this, first of all, I want to put the headphones in, right? I shove them in there. And you guys can kind of hear it a little bit, right? You put it over here. And you can see it's playing through. It's on the 5th track, and you can see this indicates that it's playing. Now, if I want to go back a track, I just click here. Watch. Now it goes, whoops, goes back, or it'll go back to the beginning of the song. I think if you touch it once, it goes back to the beginning of the song. Let's see if that does that. Yeah, starts the song over again. Now, if you want to go back a track, you got to do that. Now, if you want to go forward a track, you go here. And you can pop them really fast, you know what I mean? All right, so this is an FM radio, and this is the Bluetooth for your car. So you could Bluetooth your car. Let me stop it for a second there. You could Bluetooth this in your car. This is equalization, you know. Look, you see it changes on the bottom for different types of music. If you want, that's jazz. There's rock, if you're playing rock music, classical music. And it's on bass. I think I'm going to go to rock, leave it there. And over here is the mode. So usually it just plays through, you know, like each track goes, you know, from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4. But if you want to change that, see that insignia next to the battery thing? That means it just shuffles through them. It goes from, you could go to 12 to 2 to 3 to 4. If I hit it again, it's just going to play through, you know, linear, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I click this, it gives me, I believe, that means single track play. All right, that's single track play, just one track. If I do it again, that's just, you know, linear, it just plays them. So that's, you know, that's basically how that works. And let's click FM. And there it turns to the stations. And I think if I click it, it moves through the stations. Yeah, so you can go through the stations that way. And then if we want to go back to the CD, you just click there, and bam, we're playing the CD again. And to turn it off, all we do is come up here, press this and hold it. Bam, now it's off. And that's how you use this thing. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.